Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. How are you doing? Anyways, today we're doing a very simple protective hairstyle, but first subscribe. So first we'll start off with parting our hair sideways. Then we comb and just make sure you have a really smooth parting. Then we'll just have to comb it all through. I don't know if you guys, if you've noticed, this was the last care I used from the other video where I made wavy coils, so I had to reuse it again because what better time than now. And so we're going to do in a flat twist at this end, and I'm just going to be twisting it, from inside. We'll bring it out, add another hair, you twist it. Make sure you pack your hair, guys. So this hairstyle is very favorable for anyone. If you have a short hair, if you have a long hair. So as you can see, I'm struggling to pack my hair because my hair is really short and relaxed. So if this is you, then definitely tune in because this video is definitely for you. As you can see how I'm packing the hair, and that's how you do that. Just make sure you try to pack all that you can. This is a very simple protective hairstyle for any kind of hair. It's also an encouragement to all the short hair, relaxed girlies. This hairstyle is one to definitely try out. So as you're also packing and twisting, make sure you are arranging the hair. And as soon as we're done at this part of the end, we're going to twist it. I didn't have any other place to put the hair, so I had to just put it in my mouth. Anyways, I would have to do the other parts. If you can tell, my hair is really short from this end, but we're still gonna grab it regardless. I am definitely packing this. As you can see, you just have to add your hair and then you pack it to create an illusion of the fact that you have hair. So just make sure you pack the hair as you're doing this. You pack. I didn't get a chance to really pack everything, but this is just a proof, okay, that you can do any hairstyle if you set your mind to. Good. And as soon as you're done, just make sure you arrange the hair so it looks smooth, detailed, and relaxed. Then you just remove one strand from the hair and then you tie it, okay? One strand and then you tie it to make sure it stays properly. And guys, this is one twist to this hairstyle. So we're going to remove and divide this hair. At the end, the tail of the hair, we're going to divide it into 4 parts and we're going to braid it all down because we need it to give us a very simple packing at the end. We need to braid the tail to give us what we want basically, and that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, I'm done. Look at this. What do you think? Here we're going to use our packing gel, of course, and we're just going to lay our hair. The parts of the hair that did not really go with the others, we're just going to use this and lay it down properly with the others, so it will really stay smooth. And we're going to do that for the other end as well. So you just have to pay very close attention and also make sure you part your hair well. So as soon as you're done relaxing the hair, or as soon as you're done applying your gel, make sure you use a comb and brush it through so it will give us a smooth illusion. So we're just going to comb it all through, and as you're combing, make sure you add the extras of the hair in between or inside the hair you made. After you're done combing the hair, I'm going to use one strand and put it in from the other end and put it in from the other end, as you can see. Yeah, so we're just going to be playing around with it. So we'll make sure we use one strand of the braided hair at the end or at the tip of it, and we're going to roll it down. This is it. You roll it down and make sure you add it to the other end. Go back to the other side again and then you keep doing it. So I'm going to repeat this process 2 times because I think it's just 2 strands remaining. But you just watch and learn and enjoy, because trust me, this is a very simple, easy, protective hairstyle that you can try anytime, any day, regardless of your hair type or how short or how long your hair is. This is one beautiful hairstyle to definitely try, and trust me, I know you'd love it. So we're just going to keep tying. As you can see, I'm going to put this in here, as you can see, and then I would bring it out, and then I would, yeah, bring it out from the other end, and then put it back here. Now as you're doing, just try, make sure you're trying to adjust it so there won't be any hair that shows out. After we're done, I'm just going to arrange it this way, and literally we're done, guys. So for the next part, I had to cut out the extras to make it have a really smooth edge, and we're going to style our edges, you guys. This is one of my favorite things to do with any protective hairstyle I'm doing, styling my edges. And like I always say, make sure you love and enjoy the process. It's very therapeutic, you guys, literally. What do you guys think about this? Oh my god, I love this look. I live for it. I live for this look, literally. It just gives really simple, elegant, demure, mindful hairdo styling, and it has a way of instilling this beautiful confidence with you, like, hello, I'm a goddess, can you see me? Yes, good. That is the kind of energy we're looking for here. And if you want to feel this beautiful, this is one hairstyle to try. This hairstyle took me only 15 minutes or less, or less. So let me know if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. Let me know if you're definitely going to rock this. And I don't know if you guys noticed, I had to go off camera to accessorize the hair, and I love this. It just adds some beautiful look thing going on. And I love this. I really love this hair. So rate this hair from 1 to 10 anyways. Let me know if you'll be trying this. Let me know if this is one thing to do. I really love this look. I really love this look. And if you haven't subscribed up until now, what are you waiting for? Come on, support your girl. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.